Hey guys, GM everyone. Still on beer market, and I wanted to put out something on XRP just in case, right? So just like we had here when market was congesting, we had a pretty insane breakout that sweep out this lower side liquidity. Yes, so this is what we had, right? So we kind of having the same thing around this place as well. So this is the same thing we are having here, right? This is the same thing. So my own point of view is that if market breaks lower, if market breaks this level now, we're gonna see a lower price to come and sweep this lower side liquidity that was injected a very long time. And that was a couple of weeks back when we got a huge wipeout from the market. I don't feel like it's gonna be one candle though, but this is what I think, right? This is a daily time frame. Um, this this is a liquidity or this is a liquidity target for this daily time frame, right? Now, if this liquidity target is broken, this place is a new resistance. This That's a new entry for another new trade, right? Just like the way we had entry at these levels. So in case market will sit down and then coming back up to pick an entry, it's gonna be from that levels. You got so once market sweep here and they had a continuation, the what we call continuation trend. Once market sweep there and have a continuation trend, it's gonna come all the way down to peak. First of all, the first target should be at this level, then all the way down to peak to sweep this um sell. See how the analysis goes. So this is what I think. This is what I think, right? So it's a ranging market, but once you broke this below these levels now, you're gonna see it range all the way down the way it should go. Right. So that's what I think for now. GM everyone. So let's just pick another trade just to analyze and then wrap it up. So I was also calling this Pivers. I taught you guys about week top. I don't know, and often I wasn't really active on trading for that week, so I didn't want to push it further. You get so then again, missing an opportunity like this wasn't a bad idea. You just need to get another one and then try and get it. So I taught you guys week top analysis. So it's kind of a very good confidence. If you know about this thing, there's no way you'll not be able to predict short. That is to predict a dumping market. It's often learning how to long that is very hard. But when it comes to short, if you pay very much attention, you're gonna learn the easiest part of it. So this is week top. I've taught you guys this in time without number. It works 89%. There's no even it's just like having when you have confidence that this thing it works. It only works. Here's the rules. The higher the time frame, the stronger the what's it called? The stronger the confluence, I mean the stronger the strategy. So the higher time frame, the stronger the strategy. If you spot this kind of a thing in a monthly time frame, just know the market is dumping to an existing uptrend. In the daily time frame, know that the market is dumping to the existing uptrend means the uptrend are created that long, right? That's what it means by existing uptrend. I'm only doing this because so many people need it. So in as much as you are trading crypto, this is what you are needing. Right? The only thing that struggles people here making profit is that first of all we got too greedy. Right? When you make more money, you get to try and make more money. The way and that's it. That's the story. So if you I don't know. It's a general issues about after learning and then struggling to adapt to what you learn is also a problem. So, but with that being said, I mean, we're not just all perfect, but we're gonna still trying our best till we're able to get to that level where we also speak for ourselves without market speaking for us, right? So this is a weak top. Once you see it, that's it. That's just the top of that market. Happens to every other thing. 1 hour, 4 hours time frame, daily time frame, you are good. So also talk about which other thing that I was talking about right now. I was talking about ZEC that I was talked about recently, and I was waiting for a good entry. So far, I still don't think it's a good idea to just jump in on it. I'm still waiting for a very valid entry for myself. So instead of jumping into it, I'll still be waiting for a good entry. In that way, I'll still get entry at this level. But you have seen you have a quite huge rejection at these levels, meaning this is just creating a wider range space for it to short. You get, so instead of just squeezing it up, dumping it, so it's creating a wider range, leaving another liquidity injected inside. Normal concept. Oh, but if by this time you have not flipped bearish, I don't know what you are showing in the market. You need to flip bearish to be profitable. This is exactly what's going on. So it's normal. I talked about it on my last video when I was talking about BCC weekly this thing. See you guys on my next video, guys. Thank you for watching, fam.